Hello, little friends. Welcome back to Story Village. Today, I have a special story about honesty and kindness. Are you ready? Let's begin, Somtats. Doing the right thing is hard, but no matter what, it always matters. In a peaceful village, a tiny ant was busy gathering food. It was a hot day, and everyone was preparing for a big feast as the ant scurried near an orchard. It noticed something shiny and red hanging from a tree. It was a perfect, juicy mango. The ant had never seen such a big one before. But then, it remembered something important. This mango was for the village celebration. The ant knew it had to make a choice. Should it take the mango for itself or do what's right? The ant thought, I'm so hungry, and this mango looks delicious. But it's not mine. So, feeling brave, the ant left the mango where it was. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow for more wonderful stories.